be toothless, okay? Yes, I know. Shh. Okay, I know.
The world's on fire, we won't even move. There is no reason if I'm here with you. And when it's said and done,
melancholy, inherently bittersweet. But yeah, I haven't quite adjusted because, like, in addition to those movies we've been doing, like she said, the TV shows for so long, and it's like I have been playing this character consistently since I was 24, 25, and that's like, yeah, it's going to be a heck of a thing to say goodbye to. I haven't quite absorbed it yet.
give me to you. That's some type of love. That's some type of love.